Hey, I've been running this channel for the last 2 years and it's time to set the first giveaway. I want everyone to get something when leaving this video, so I set several prizes for you guys. Starting with the big prize, Feelworld Master MA5, 5-inch lightweight monitor, on-camera lightweight monitor that also works on mostly any gimbal. I wanted to give something that works with anyone, whatever the camera you use. We'll leave the competition link down below, so make sure to check that. The second prize is 2 flexible tripods to the best 2 followers on Instagram. Just leave a nice comment, tag a friend, and we'll get the chance to win one of these. Lamco flexible tripod is so versatile, so you're getting something special here. And I believe it's better for mirrorless cameras than Gorilla Pods, so make sure to click the competition link down below. So I want everyone leaving this video with something. So make sure to submit your email address in the mailing list so I can send you a special Lightroom preset that work on Adobe Lightroom Classic, Photoshop Camera Raw, and Photoshop Lightroom. Everyone is getting this, so check your junk folder. I'm not sure, maybe you find it there. Thank you for supporting me growing this channel. I love making more and more content, so please hit that subscribe button, turn notification on, and follow me on Instagram for more updates. And I'm actually planning to make giveaways a couple times a year, so I will be happy if you share with me your feedback on my videos and let me know what type of videos you like to watch more. That's really appreciated. Thank you for watching, guys, and I wish you the best luck. And as always, close my videos. This is Oma, and see you in another one.